Alright, let's see if I can get that transmission braced up and get this chain and rod out of here. Alright, let's see if I can get that thing jacked up. There we go. Alright, we got the jack stand and a 2x6 underneath there. It's almost straight. Alright, let's see if we can get this chain and this bar off of there. Alright, I don't think I even need a wrench. Now we can get this bar out of here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Where's Robert at when I need him? Where you at, Robert? I don't know, that might go in. Almost. Yeah, let's get you a different viewpoint. How about that? How about that? Alright, it's going to be a drop here. Where's Robert at when I need him? I need a third arm. Let's go, Buzzer. Get over here and help me. Oh, they're slacking and lurking. Transmission's killing me. I'm about an inch off on the transmission on that side, and on this side I'm about ½ inch off. That's because I got the transmission jacked up, and yeah, I just got to lower that transmission down a little bit, get it down in there. You can see where the starter goes. Can you see where the starter goes down there? The bolts are off just a little bit. You can see we're about an inch away. It needs to be lowered. Once I lower it, it'll line right up. Got the mounts right in there. Yeah, it's going to get an electric fan and a transmission cooler. I got to move that dipstick out of the way too. It's right there by the spark plug. I'm going to have to adjust that over. Everything else looks good. Alright, the motor's in there. Just got to button it up. I appreciate you watching. Bye now, bye. See you later.